Final video, you need to fix screen artifacts display problems in Windows. If strange lines, colors, or shapes keep showing on your screen, stay with me because this will help you. Are you also facing the problem where your screen shows random pixels, flashing colors, or distorted graphics? Do you restart your PC, but the problem still comes back? If yes, then you're watching the right video. Screen artifacts usually happen because of outdated graphics drivers, GPU overheating, loose cables, or hardware issues. Sometimes incorrect display settings or heavy apps can also trigger these artifacts and make the screen look broken. Many users panic, but the fix is often simple. You may see many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. Many people try them and still cannot clear the artifact from their screen. When I faced this issue, I solved it with one simple trick that anyone can follow. It does not need advanced tools, and it works on most Windows systems. On my channel Rexished, I always share the easiest methods so everyone can fix display problems without stress. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing this trick, comment below. When I see enough comments, I will upload the complete guide so you can fix screen artifact problems in Windows easily.